Hi, Hannah. I enjoyed watching your movie. I had my volume up pretty high, and I couldn't hear the music, so you might want to adjust the levels a bit. So you have a few different sans serif fonts. So overall, I think you only need one, and you can use color, animation, and scale to show emphasis. And then when you put in the take action, it'll really pop. But number one, I thought you were going to use that font that you made for the non-traditional. Um, the first one, this font is like a PTA font. It comes free on everybody's computers, so people are used to using it, and it doesn't have a lot of excitement or impact for what you're trying to do. You want people to take action. You want them to get off their butts and do something about protecting wildlife. So make it big, put it in their face, use a unique font. This might be a good place to use that preset that brings the type right up in your face. So that's something to consider. And I know right here you want to use that logo, so at this point go ahead. But you have it all in here, but I'd like to see you play with scale a little bit more. These are all awful things. And honestly, it's a little bit boring. Deforestation, poaching, illegal trade, overfishing. Maybe even if you just made them all caps. You know how that looks like yelling? I think that would help get it across. And with this gentle music and the soft transitions, you're not making me feel super passionate about it. I think you need to be a little bit meaner in your approach. Does that make sense? But I mean, it's a good setup. I just think you want to play with it a little bit more. See if you could get a little more aggressive. Does that make sense?